saying goodbye to a Harford County soldier killed in Afghanistan.
Family, friends, and the community are coming together to remember Staff Sergeant Mark Alencar. A visitation is being held until 9 tonight at the McComas Funeral Home in Abingdon. Tomorrow, there will be a funeral mass at 11 a.m. at St. Francis de Sales Catholic Church. And on Wednesday, Alencar will be buried with full military honors at Arlington National Cemetery. Staff Sergeant Mark Alencar was 37 years old.